guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss about file handling in Python. So basically, the file handling in Python is very important, guys. If you understanding this one, right, you can easily understand how to handle the files in the PySpark also, guys. It is very important. Sometimes in the scenarios like where you have to, with help of Python, you need to read the files and as well as implement the ETL logic. Okay. I'm just to showcase you one scenario. I mean, like this, this is a basic way to handle the Python using the file handling concepts. Okay. So here I'm created one variable and inside this is an open method. Okay, we call it an open method or function, open function or method you can. So here we can using this input file and make sure that this file need to be uploaded into the particular folder where this Python notebook is executed. You have to upload it in that file in that folder. Then I'm mentioning this R. Okay. After this, when I'm printing this f dot read, it means it is going to give the content of the file. So this open function return a file object which has read method to reading the content of the file. So I just uploaded this sample data. I'm executing this code. If you see that I'm getting this data. Okay, it will I have used one variable and it is having one open method and it contains some. I'm just mentioning the two arguments. One is this is for input file and second is read mode. What are the modes? Okay. And now again, I want to give only 20 characters. So here it is giving like date, year, day, month, right? So like this scenario, you can open open method and then read mode. Then I mentioned this 20 character in print function. Now let me execute this. This is also print function and f dot read. I'm calling the method. Okay. Suppose you can return one line by using read line method, guys. Okay. Suppose I want to return only heading. Okay. This is a heading, guys. It means columns. Suppose I want to get the column. Like you have done read line method. With the help of this, you can achieve. Examine this one. So you can see. Showcase. Okay. So like this, we can get a columns if you want to read the column of the file by using, open method and readline function. You can utilize this one. And after this one, I want to close it the file. You can use f dot close function also. It is, guys, this example is very, very important. Okay. And for example, I have used a open demo file. This file is not available in my folder. Okay. I have just used append f dot write. Once the file is available, if it is not there, it will create the file. Then I'm adding the content. After adding the content, I'm going to close the file. After creating the file, after adding the data, then I want to read the data. So this is the sample data, sample code, which helps to read, which helps to create. If it is not able, then it is going to write and open it and print it. Now I'm going to execute this one. Now let me see. So for example, if I go to file, open, now you can see demo file 3 that exists. Few seconds ago it got created. Okay. So like this, guys, we can utilize the file handling in Python. I mean, with help of this open, write, and f dot read methods. Okay. Now, for example, here if you see, to create a new file in Python using open method with one of the following parameter. Okay, create will create a file, return an error if the file is exist. Yeah, append will create a file if the specified file does not exist. Write will create a file if the specified file does not exist. Okay. So now here one more example, guys. If it's equal to open, I'm using W. F dot read. Oops, I have deleted the content I'm just mentioning. Okay, I'm just adding this line in that file. So now I'm again opening with help of write. Here we have here we have used the now I'm using W. Okay. Okay. So this is the way we can create the file with help of this exa and W. Okay. One more guys, if for example, if I click on this one, okay, this is the way the basic general way to write the, open method by using X will what it will create a file returning an error if the file exists. Okay, so for example, AW will create a file if the specified file does not exist. Suppose I want to check if the file exists before you try to delete it. Suppose here I mentioned if open path file exists, then os.remove the file, else print file does not exist. Okay, this is the way I have here. Now I'm just executing. Actually, demo file it is there means definitely it will open file part demo file dot exist. It will check it. If the file is not made, it will go into showcase this print basic. Let me see and here not there. So what it will print? It will print the print file does not exist. So the print file does not exist. Now I'm adding this text. Okay. Now let me check whether the voice, this voice.remove method will remove or not. Okay. So I'm not getting any. Okay. Here I have got no. Okay, fine. This is the one, right? I have to execute. Check. See, demo 3.txt is not visible. It is not available. Okay. Now, with help of this, if os.path exists demo file 3.txt over, so this file got removed. Now, when I'm trying to check it again, the file does. So it is working fine, absolutely. Suppose you want to delete folder from a, you can use os.remove direct. So guys, this is input OS is a package. It will help to, operating related file handlings with help of the RMDL, okay, with help of remove, help of exist. So you can explore in the official set in Python. So you can get a more about input OS and as well as what kind of methods, functions we have, how we can use, we can get it, guys. So I just focus about which is related to Python basic for the data engineering. So these are the key things that are very, very important things in the real time and also it will help students. Okay.